Let's take a quick walk around of the refrigerator van we have. Guess we're still getting it touched up, cleaned up, but here's the current state of it. The owner's actually was driving this around. He was taking it places and doing stuff. Still waiting to touch up the back of it, but fixed up. Gonna get it cleaned up. They've been 65,000 miles. Let's see if I get this right. I don't know. Oh, turned on in the back. Then you turn it down. I'm sure I'm not doing it correctly, but turned on back here. Oh, it's doing stuff. Oh yeah. Serious unit on a hot day. Whoever did it did an excellent job of, it's already cold coming out of there. That's it. Oh, even the air conditioner works. This thing's like a rolling big refrigerator. 81 to 77 degrees that fast. I don't know. UP. Let's just say we'll need to look into the controls on that thing. Control Tech Z31A up there. Power windows. So we get touched up and be ready to make some money. Alright, that's it. 330-501-2948. Thank you.